Hi there! Wanted to talk to you today about my favorite phone charger. I know it sounds kind of funny to say you have a favorite phone charger, but I absolutely do, and this is it. So this one is for an iPhone 15 and 16, but it is a fast charger, USB-C connection. So I bought this actually to travel with. So I travel for work and I needed something that has a long cord. So I got the 10-foot one. I know it sounds a bit excessive, but I will tell you I have used it more than any of the other ones that I have. But I absolutely love its fast charge. Obviously, it does what it says it's going to do. I can put my phone on this charger and in 20 minutes my phone has significantly more battery than it did when I plugged it in. I also love how long it is, especially when you're traveling. You never know where the closest outlet's going to be to you, so that has come in handy multiple times as well. So, and I actually end up using this one on my nightstand. So this is what I plug my phone into every night, and I feel like I can have the ability to have my phone plugged in but still be, cuddled up in my bed and not have to pull or tug on my phone cord because I have no room. So I've got plenty of room with my 10-foot USB-C charger, and I absolutely love it. It's been a lifesaver for me.